Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to import photos from Google Drive on Wix. This is incredibly useful if you store all your images in Google Drive and want to quickly bring them into your Wix website without downloading and re-uploading them manually. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's begin by heading over to the Wix website. Once you're there, log into your Wix account using your credentials. After you've logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. From here, look at the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. This section gives you access to all your website projects and their settings. Now, you'll see a preview of the website settings you currently have. Take a moment to make sure that this is the correct website where you want to import images from your Google Drive. It's always good to double check, especially if you manage multiple sites under one account. Once you've confirmed you're working with the right website, locate the Edit Site button. You'll typically find this at the top part of your screen, usually beside a pen icon. Click on it to proceed. This button takes you into the heart of your website's design interface. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where all the magic happens in terms of designing and customizing your site. Start by locating the Add Elements button on the left navigation menu and click on it. This is your gateway to all the different components you can add to your pages. The menu will expand and present you with a list of all the elements you can use to customize your website. From here, locate the image element and click on it. This opens up your image options. Now, from the choices available, locate the Upload and Import section. Within this section, click on Upload Images. A media dashboard will appear, giving you several options to upload your files. Here's where the Google Drive integration comes into play. Locate Google Drive from the list of upload options and click on it. You'll then see a button that says Connect Google Drive. Click on it and a small sign-in window will appear. From here, either log in or select the account that contains the media you wish to upload. Make sure you're choosing the right Google account if you have multiple ones. Once you've selected your account, a permission prompt will appear. This is Google's way of ensuring you're okay with Wix accessing your Drive files. Select Continue to grant the necessary permissions. Once the permission is granted, you'll automatically see all the image files you have stored in your Google Drive. From there, you can simply select the images you want to import and add them directly to your Wix site. And that's it. You've successfully connected Google Drive to Wix and imported your photos without any hassle. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.